So I was using Whisper Flow for my voice to text, and it was really good. It works really well, but I ran out of my free plan, and then I was gonna have to pay like 16 bucks a month. So I was like, I can do this myself for cheaper. So I'm currently actually using this thing called Handy, and it's got a local model called Pocket V3, and it's very good at like local just speech to text. So for example, hello, how can you do this thing? And as you can see, it's pretty fast. But where this struggles is, say I'm talking and, oh, I didn't mean to say that, scratch that, or hey, this is what I'm talking about, test, test, full stop. It sort of struggles with knowing what I'm going to say and formatting it. So that's where you can use post processing. So, and that's what Whisper Flow does really well natively. But how I've done that is in Handy, you can do post processing with your own LLM model. So I just go over to Open Router, and you want to make sure it is low latency as well. That's really critical. And so this Gemini 2.5 Flash is only 0.4, so it's pretty fast actually. And if I redo this with the post processing on, you can see the difference. So hello, I want to code this thing, this is what I'm talking about, test, scratch that, yeah, continue talking. So it's going to actually it's going to the cloud now to Open Router to do that. And you can see it just clean it up a bit. So when the post-processing sends my voice off, it's using this custom prompt here, which just does some simple stuff like, instead of example.com/dashboard, actually do the .com/dashboard. So it's just giving it some context of stuff that I do, but obviously do it for your own use case. But yeah, I'm using this Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite preview, and the latency is pretty good. It's the same as Whisper Flow, I think, and it's cheaper as well. So yeah, that's how I'm doing local, semi-local voice to text at the moment, and it's really good. I will use the non-processing if I'm just doing like, under 10 words, but as soon as I start, talking about 2-3 paragraphs, I'll definitely use the post-processing, and you can just set that up with different keyboard shortcuts. So this is my transcribe normal, and then for post processing and transcribing, I'm using this shortcut. And yeah, it's working really well. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.